Welcome everyone. I'm excited to introduce today's topic, update sets in ServiceNow. On this first slide, we're kicking off with an overview of what we'll cover. We'll explore how to efficiently update sets in ServiceNow, why they're important, and some best practices to keep in mind. Let's get started. Let's talk about what an update set is in ServiceNow. Essentially, it's a way to gather a collection of customizations you've made on one instance so you can move them easily to another. Think of it as bundling all your changes, like modifications to tables, updates to fields, form adjustments, script tweaks, and changes to business rules, into a single, manageable set. This makes the migration process much smoother and more organized. Now, why are these update sets so important? Well, they help us migrate our changes across different environments, such as from development to testing, and then to production. This ensures that everyone is working with the same configurations, maintaining consistency throughout the process. Plus, update sets give us a clear way to track and manage our configurations, so we know exactly what was changed, when, and by whom. Overall, understanding update sets is key to managing your ServiceNow instance efficiently, especially as you scale your development and deployment efforts. They are an essential tool for keeping everything aligned and ensuring smooth transitions between different stages of your project. In this slide, we're focusing on how to move customizations between different instances of ServiceNow. The key idea here is that you can transfer changes safely from development to testing, and then to production, ensuring that each environment stays aligned without risking data loss or errors. Tracking and bundling changes is also crucial. This means grouping related configuration items, or CIs, like scripts, forms, and workflows, into a single package. This makes the deployment process much more manageable and organized. Enabling version control is another important aspect. It allows us to keep a history of changes, so we can easily revert if something doesn't work as expected. This promotes reusability and consistency across your instances, which is essential for maintaining reliable configurations. Supporting change management is also a vital part of this process. It ensures that all updates are documented, approved, and implemented smoothly, reducing the risk of unexpected issues. And don't forget, always back up before deploying any updates. This safety net helps us recover quickly if something goes wrong during the deployment process. Overall, update sets are a powerful tool for managing changes efficiently and safely across your ServiceNow environments. They help maintain control, consistency, and confidence as you evolve your platform. Let's start by selecting the active update set. To do this, navigate to System Update Sets and then to Local Update Sets. Once there, you'll want to mark a set as active. This is a crucial step because it tells the system to start capturing any changes you make. Next, make your configuration changes. Think of things like creating new business rules, modifying forms, or adding new fields. These actions are automatically recorded in the active update set, which makes it easy to track what you've changed. After making the changes, it's important to review what has been captured. Go back to the update set and verify the records or update entries that have been recorded. This ensures everything you want to move is accounted for. Once you're satisfied with the captured updates, you need to export the update set as an XML file. Before exporting, mark the update set as complete. This signals that you're ready to move it to another instance. Export it to an XML file, which is the format used to transfer data between instances. Now, on the target instance, navigate to System Update Sets and then to Retrieved Update Sets. Import the XML file you exported earlier. It's a good practice to preview the update set first to see what changes will be applied. Finally, to apply these changes, commit the update set. This step applies all the captured changes to the target instance, completing the transfer process. So, in summary, update sets provide a streamlined way to capture, export, and import configuration changes between instances, ensuring consistency and efficiency in managing your system. Now, let's take a closer look at the key components of update sets. First, We have the update set itself, which acts as a container that groups a set of configuration changes. Think of it as a package that holds all the modifications we want to move from one instance to another. You can find this in the System Update Sets section under Local Update Sets. Next, within each update set, there are individual records called update entries. These are the specific changes, like a new business rule or a modified UI policy. Each change is saved as a separate entry, making it easier to track and manage what exactly has been modified. Then we have the Customer Updates table, or SYS Update XML. This table stores detailed records of what was changed in each update. It's really helpful for versioning and tracking, so we can see exactly what modifications have been made over time. Moving on, there are also retrieved update sets, which are update sets imported from other instances. This allows us to bring in changes from different environments. You can find these in the System Update Sets section under Retrieved Update Sets. Finally, the process of preview, commit, and backout is crucial. Preview allows us to validate the imported update set before applying it, ensuring everything looks good and won't cause issues. Commit is when we actually apply those changes to our current instance. And backout provides a way to undo changes if needed, helping us maintain stability. Together, these components form the core of how we manage and move configuration changes effectively across different instances. All right, let's talk about creating and managing update sets. First, you'll want to create a new update set by navigating to System Update Sets, then Local Update Sets, and clicking on New. This is where you define a new container for your changes. Once you've created it, you need to set it as active. To do that, open the record and click Make Active. This step is crucial because it tells the system to start capturing all the changes you make moving forward. Next, as you work, you can track the captured changes by going back to System Update Sets and selecting Local Update Sets. This allows you to see what has been recorded in your active update set. When you're ready, you can complete your work, export the update set, and then import and commit it on your target instance. For this, you'll go to System Update Sets and select Retrieved Update Sets. This process ensures that all your changes are safely moved from one environment to another, maintaining consistency and control throughout your development or deployment cycle. Update sets are a crucial part of managing changes in ServiceNow, especially when you're moving configurations from one environment to another. They serve as a kind of package that includes all the modifications you've made, making it easier to transfer and implement those changes reliably. This helps ensure that your environments stay consistent, which is vital for smooth operations and avoiding unexpected issues. Traceability is another key benefit. By using update sets, you can track exactly what changes were made, when, and by whom. This makes auditing and troubleshooting much simpler. And of course, having control over your development process means you can manage and review changes before they go live, reducing risks and improving quality. In the context of our overall discussion, update sets really tie everything together by providing a structured way to handle configuration changes. They support best practices in change management, helping teams stay organized and confident that their deployments are accurate and controlled. So, mastering update sets is essential for maintaining a stable and efficient ServiceNow environment. Thank you so much for your attention and time today. I really appreciate your engagement and interest in what we've discussed. Remember, the ideas and concepts we've covered are here to help you make a meaningful impact, whether in your projects or your daily work. If you have any questions or want to explore these topics further, don't hesitate to reach out. Once again, thank you, and I look forward to seeing how you apply this knowledge moving forward.